Hi there, how's it going? I'm Cassie from Zappos.com. This is the Peyton platform sandal by Dirty Laundry. This strappy platform has straps that are made from this smooth faux leather material. Got this really cool raw edging on the outside to give it a nice casual look. For getting the shoe on and off, you have a hook and loop closure with a Slingback strap. The inside is made out of this man-made material, and you've got a molded, stationary, cushioned footbed that your feet are just going to be cradled and loved. Got a little bit of cork underneath, and the platform is really cool with this jute-wrapped material. Nice standout and that casual look, on top of a man-made outsole. Raise me up to be very stylish.